Ohm's law states that voltage equals current times resistance. Divide both sides by resistance, and you get V over R equals I times R over R. The R's cancel, leaving you with V over R equals I. Let's substitute. 10 volts over 2 ohms equals the current. 5 over 1 times volts over ohms equals current. 5 volts over ohms equals current. Volts over ohms equals amps. 5 amps equals current. What is the VR1? VR1 is the voltage drop over resistor 1. VR1 equals I total times R1 equals 5 amps times 2 ohms equals 10 amp ohms. Amp ohms equals volts equals 10 volts. The battery generates voltage. It is an active device. The resistor does not generate current, power, voltage. It is a passive device. It gets a voltage drop. I get another resistor on this. Current total equals voltage total over resistance total. Substituting, I get 10 volts over 4 ohms, which reduces to 5 over 2 times volts over ohms, which reduces to 2.5 amps, because volt over ohms equals amps. VR1 equals IT times R1 equals 2.5 amps times 2 ohms equals 5 amp ohms equals 5 volts. VR2 equals IT times R2 equals 2.5 amps times 2 ohms equals 5 amp ohms equals 5 volts. So the voltage source minus the sum of the voltage drops equals 0. Voltage source minus VR1 plus VR2 equals 0. 10 volts minus 5 volts plus 5 volts equals 0. 10 volts minus 10 volts equals 0. And finally, 0 equals 0. This is Kirchoffs voltage law. KVL states that the V total around a closed loop must equal 0. And that is what I have just shown. This is Hoboken Gare.